in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can scan pages through CamScanner. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your CamScanner app. On the bottom side, you can see there are various options such as Home, Documents, and Camera-like option, Tools and Me. To scan a page, tap on the Camera-like option. Open the camera and take a picture of the page that you want to scan. Now you can adjust as you want. You can adjust this page as you want. Then tap on the arrow option which is on the bottom right side. Put any of the filter that you prefer. Then tap on the tick mark option that is on the bottom right side. And that is how you scan a page through CamScanner. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.